Sure. Managed Systems program is a subscription model that allows our customers to buy and acquire their technology on a monthly payment versus having to come up with a large capital sum upfront. This solution then includes not only the equipment, but also the services, the install, and the future maintenance of that equipment. And then at the end of the contract, it does include refresh so that customers can stay current on their technology that they've got deployed. Benefits of MSP are customers are going to be able to acquire their technology without having to save up a large capital expenditure, but then also they're going to be able to keep that technology running at a high level throughout the life of that technology. At the end of it, customers are going to have the ability to refresh that technology to make sure that it always stays current and it's always working to optimal performance. Customers should look at utilizing the Managed Systems program. They're already doing a subscription model with a lot of their current technologies that they've got out there. This allows them to continue to utilize that financial strategy in acquiring technology and then keep making sure that it stays maintained throughout the life of the product.